Alright, so now we're going to look at two tools that use often, three tools actually that use really often. So edit mode. Alright, the first tool is going to be the Edgeloop tool. This one's probably used the most, and it allows you to quickly add components to an object. And now this is a very uniformed object because it's cubes. Its squares are all equal on all sides. It's kind of like a Rubik's Cube. The other one is the Extrude tool, which is this one. And that one uses faces. So if you went into the face, these four faces, you could extrude in, or you could extrude out. The other one is Inset. Inset's super powerful. Let's say I take these four faces and I inset them like that, and then extrude them. Cool. So where Inset kind of gives you some issues, not really, but let's say I take all these and inset them. You can see it insets them, but it has like a little bit of a thing. But it's valid geometry, so it doesn't matter. So those three tools right there are probably pretty good for right now. Later we'll go on through the other tools, but I don't want to get you too in trouble. You can build some very complex pieces now, because now you can also, since you have all the selection tools available, you can select all these polygons, you can make all these changes, you can rotate it, you can move it. So yeah, the world's your oyster right now. With these three tools just alone, you can do all kinds of crazy. So now let's look at, in the next video, Booleans and why those are so important.